Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to talk about using vinegar as a mosquito repellent. Many of us have heard of this, but does it work? And if it does, how do you use it? We've all had those days when we're looking forward to a relaxing in our backyards or entertaining only to watch our guests swatting away mosquitoes and making us move the party inside. It can happen to anyone, even if you didn't realize you had an infestation. Why? Because mosquitoes hide in crevices under decks, enjoying the occasional spill and leftovers. Unfortunately, there are more reasons to get rid of mosquitoes besides a few whelps and itches. Mosquitoes are known to carry diseases, including the famous Zika virus that began in April 2013 in Brazil and spread to the US. It was significant that it caused birth defects, stirring panic in anyone pregnant or even trying to start a family. So if you're looking for a mosquito repellent, we have several options. First up is vinegar. It's true, you can use apple cider or white vinegar. Mosquitoes hate both the smell and the taste, so it's a win-win when using it. To mix up a homemade batch, you'll need a spray bottle, water, and vinegar. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water and spray the area and yourself. If you opt for using vinegar, you'll also be taking care of other pests that are sure to ruin a good time, like fleas, flies, spiders, and even snakes. It'll also take care of larger pests like raccoons. Another scent mosquitoes hate is garlic. You can crush a few cloves and leave them in plants and bushes, or place the crushed cloves in a spray bottle, add some mineral oil, and spray around the area. You can spray it on yourself as well if you don't mind the smell. Homemade potions are great, but there are other things you can do to repel mosquitoes, like attracting natural predators, like birds, lizards, and frogs. You may also wish to plant some mosquito-repelling plants like citronella, lavender, and mint. If you're not up for making homemade potions and you prefer to go the commercial route, you can purchase Pest Repellent by Wondercide. There are other options besides sprays, such as Mosquito Zappers by FVOAI. The best course of action is to make sure mosquitoes never make it into your backyard to begin with, so take care of any spills that may attract them. In other words, keep your area clean. And of course, don't wear fragrances that will attract them, such as deodorants, lotions, and shampoos with scents that attract mosquitoes. By using one or a combination of any of these natural remedies to repel mosquitoes, you will get on the road to a healthy, fun-filled backyard. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, please click the link below to check out our other videos. You can also visit our website, backyarduniversity.org, for your convenience. We've supplied a link to the mentioned products.